today I'm going to be making homemade Play-Doh. First you would need 2 tablespoons salt and then 1 tablespoon lemon salt. Then you need 1 cup flour, 1 cup water, and any color you like. I'm using yellow. Yes. Now
and 1 big bowl.
Yes.
And one tablespoon of
oil. Yeah. And a spoon. So let's get started. Now we will add the dry ingredients. For example, flour.
1 cup flour.
Yes. And I mean, yes.
1 tablespoon
lemon salt.
2 tablespoon
Salt.
And mix that dry ingredient
Mix
well.
together. Yes. Mix it well. We mixed well. Now let's add the water. 1 cup water. Now I'll mix it up.
Mix.
Yeah. Mix. Let's put water slowly. First add the color and then mix it.
Little color.
Yes. Now we will add some oil.
1 tablespoon oil.
Yes.
And mix again.
A single drop of essential oil for smell.
Fragrance.
Yeah, for fragrance. I added a bit more color.
And mix it.
Mix it well.
Yes, mix like this. We are kneading the flour.
Yes.
Mix.
Now the dough is ready. Now we will make different colors.
Yes, that's it. We are making different colors. We will divide in different portions and we will make different colors.
Yes, what can I buy? First, we will make blue dough.
Blue color is running away.
I got 1 drop of blue.
One more drop. One more. Yes.
See guys, nice pink color. Completed all my colors. Look how beautiful it is.
Yes, and take it out one and show. Okay.
Okay. Now I'll be taking out the color purple. Wow.
So soft.
Yes.
Take it out now like this.
Yeah, let's take it out.
Like this.
Wow.
Wow, so soft. So soft. Our dough is very soft.
Yes.
See, our dough is very soft.
And this is better than what Play-Doh? It's
Yeah,
from the store.
Yes, we will make the 6 color.
Yes.
And the all dough is very
Soft. Yes.
very soft.
You have to try this, guys.
Yes.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.
Yay.
Bye.